IIM Ahmedabad is now not alone in Ahmedabad, my dear friends. It has spread its wings. Yes, it is going global. So, very warm welcome on Supercats Cat. In this particular small session, we are going to discuss IIM Ahmedabad kahan tak pahunch raha hai ab. So, stay tuned till the last. And one more important thing, hit the like button and subscribe button also right now. Chalo. IIM Ahmedabad का एक historic move है, right? So it is going international and opening its international campus in Dubai, making a significant step in India's global education outreach. So इतना बड़ा institute जब move out करता है, कहीं ना कहीं it's going to give, direction to other IIMs also to open, the international campuses outside India. And the strategic location is also discussed over here. It's in the Dubai International Academic City, DIAC, a premier hub for higher education in the Middle East. यहाँ पर बहुत strong tie-up दुबई और इंडिया के बीच हुआ है इस particular चीज पे. The inaugural batch is scheduled to commence in September 2025. So it's a fantastic move by the IIM and fantastic news for all those who wanted to study inside IIM Ahmedabad but wanted to go outside as well. This combination is going to be perfect for you guys, right? चलो अब देखते हैं प्रोग्राम के हाइलाइट्स के बारे में भी. This is going to be a 1 year full-time MBA from this particular institute, tailored specifically for working professionals and entrepreneurs. The program emphasizes advanced management learning and upskilling, both, right? When you talk about admission criteria, applicants will be evaluated based on GMAT scores, GRE scores taken within the past 5 years. When you see the pedagogical approach over there, the curriculum will employ IMS renowned case method pedagogy, fostering practical and analytical skills as well. Now, now it's going to be having the phase development because इतना अचानक से campus खोल लेना मुश्किल हो सकता है. So with the initial phase operating from DIAC and plans for permanent campus also within Dubai in the year 2029. Global leadership, AIMA aims to nurture future business leaders equipped to navigate global market challenges. And it's a collaborative effort, as I already told you, between IIM Ahmedabad and UAE government, because they also know IIM Ahmedabad stature. So UAE government is involved here, reflecting a commitment to cross-border educational, excellence. So this was all a small video. I thought I should share this information with you all. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and check our courses on toprankers.com. That's all from my side. Thank you. Thanks a lot.